Okay, so this one is asking you to solve for x. And in the past, I've said, okay, you can just plug in your answer choices. And you can do that for this one, but before you do that, you want to try to clean it up a little bit because this problem is just unnecessarily complicated right now, and it doesn't need to look like this. So, for example, in the first set of parentheses, it says 6 minus 3. Well, we know 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, so I'm going to rewrite that. And then it says 3 minus 1, we know is 2. We have a squared symbol. I can't do anything really to the bottom right now, so I'm just going to leave it. And it's equal to 5. This numerator we can clean up a little bit more. So using order of operations, we're going to do exponents before we do multiplying. So 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. And then 4 times 3 is 12. So this whole numerator boils down to 12, which is going to be really helpful for solving. All right. Now we still have this denominator, which again just is unnecessarily complicated. It doesn't need to be in the denominator. So the way that we get rid of any denominator, whether it's a number, an expression, whatever, is we multiply both sides by whatever's in the denominator. Now when I multiply this side, it's just going to cancel out. So then when I multiply this side by 2 plus 4 over x, this is now canceled. And so now I have 12 equals 5 times 2 plus 4 over x. You may feel comfortable doing this math now and plugging in the answer choices. For me, I took it one step further and found it easier to plug in after that. But if you wanted to plug in your answer choices now, you could to see which one equals 12. If you wanted to go one step further, we would distribute this 5. So this would become 10 plus 5 times 4 is 20x, or 20 over x. Then I can subtract 10 from both sides, and I get 2 is equal to 20 over x. And then I can say, okay, 20 divided by which of these numbers is equal to 2? Well, 20 divided by 10 is going to be equal to 2. So I know that 10 has to be my correct answer. Okay, so you might want to play this a couple of times because there are a lot of steps there. But again, the basic idea is just simplify what you can simplify. Get the x as isolated as you can. But at any point, you can plug in these answers and get the right answer. You might just have to do a little bit more arithmetic on the way.